Looking to maximize your track day experience? Well, you're in the right place. Track days are all about preparation. The right gear, a well-maintained car, and a solid grasp of driving techniques can make all the difference. Today, we'll be diving into these key areas, making sure you're ready for the ride of your life. From packing the essentials to car maintenance and even some handy driving tips, we've got you covered. So buckle up as we gear up to steer you through your best track day experience yet. Ever found yourself missing something crucial on the track day? Worry no more. Let's dive right into the essentials you should pack for a successful, hassle-free day on the track. First up, safety gear. A certified helmet is non-negotiable. Driving gloves are optional. They not only protect you, but also enhance your driving experience. Next, think about your vehicle. A set of spare tires can be useful if you have them available. An essential toolkit can save you from unexpected situations. You don't want a flat tire to ruin your day, do you? A torque wrench to check those wheel nuts and a quality pressure gauge to check the tires are essential. If you are driving home on the tires you'll be using, then make sure you have a tread depth gauge to make sure the tires are legal for the street. Some spare engine oil is also a good idea. Now, on to sustenance. Track days can be long and grueling. Pack a good supply of water and easy-to-eat food to keep your energy levels up. And let's not forget about comfort. A foldable chair, sunscreen, and a hat can make waiting times more bearable. Lastly, a camera to capture your track day memories, because why not? Remember, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. So, pack smart and stay ahead. One more thing, make sure you have all the paperwork required by your track day provider, such as indemnity forms and driver's license. A well-maintained car equals a smooth track day. Here's how to ensure that. First off, let's talk tire pressures. These should be checked and adjusted before hitting the track. Remember, lower pressure can increase grip, but too low and you risk damaging your tires. Find that sweet spot for your car. Check them during the day as the pressures will increase as the tire temperatures increase. Make sure the tires have enough pressure to ensure that they are not rolling over onto the shoulders. Next, let's dive under the hood. Checking oil and coolant levels is crucial. Running low on either can cause severe engine damage. So, top up as necessary, but avoid overfilling. If in doubt, get your car checked by a professional mechanic before your track day. Lastly, your brake pads. These little guys are the difference between a thrilling day on the track and a disastrous one. Ensure they're in good condition and replace them if they're worn down. Keep in mind that standard brake pads may not handle heat well, so ensure you give the brakes some slower cooling laps every now and then to keep those temperatures in check. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to pre-track day car maintenance. These are not just tips, they're essential checks for a safe, thrilling, and unforgettable track day experience. A well-tuned car can make all the difference on the track. So, don't neglect these important checks. Now that we're packed and prepped, let's dive into some driving techniques to conquer the track. First, understanding your braking points is key. Do some research of the track configuration prior to your day. It's all about timing and precision. Next, perfect your racing lines. Take a look at some videos online prior to the day to get an indication of where you should be on the track. Ideally, you want to take the shortest route around the track. And lastly, pay attention to the rules for overtaking on your track day. The organizer will have rules in place to make overtaking as safe as possible. After all, this is a track day, not a race day. Patience and decisiveness can make all the difference. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep these techniques in mind and you'll see improvement in no time.